Coach Georgianne here. Did you know that when I coach my VIP clients towards their homemade health solution, there are some discussions that need to be bookmarked and revisited over and over? It's the same for everyone learning new skills and habits. Repetition of influential messages is helpful. Here's one of those influential messages I hope you'll save and repeat daily. Your enthusiasm provides 90% of your prediabetes solution. Your enthusiasm is so important because it affects your mindset in deep ways. As my teacher Sherry Huber used to say, the way you do anything is the way you do everything. Have you ever thought about how your mindset will make a difference in your success with this program? The way you think leads to action. When your enthusiasm fuels a productive action, this leads to forward motion toward your goal. Sustainable forward motion will give you results. If you fill your mind with negative thoughts, that will lead to inaction or lack of enthusiasm. This is often where people get stuck. Their daydreaming about the negatives stunt the growth of the positive actions. That is why the way we think about our situation can ultimately lead to the results we're hoping for. We need our enthusiasm to do anything valuable. In the Solution Starter Program Prediabetes classes, you will learn how to make this thinking, action, perseverance, results idea a firm foundation in your success. That's the beauty of this being a year-long format. Your enthusiasm will be supported all along your change path. Here's another valuable lesson I'd like to share with you. There's a difference between your doctor's role and your coach's role. There's room for both a doctor you trust and a coach who helps you follow through. I am not a doctor, yet I'm trained to help you get more from your doctor's specific strengths. Doctors are not typically trained in nutrition or in lifestyle change process. Your doctor's diagnosis of prediabetes is important for insurance purposes, medication support you may need in the future, and a watchful eye on some of the other health challenges that tend to come with prediabetes. Because you may want to involve your doctor in the work you're doing to solve your prediabetes problem, I encourage you to make a copy of the starting line. It's a worksheet in your class material. This form would be a wonderful conversation starter for the two of you. If you need your doctor's office help in filling out that worksheet, a quick phone call may be all that you need to get that information. Otherwise, you could bring these worksheet questions with you to your next appointment. You can stand up and move forward. Stick with me and we'll come up with your solution to prediabetes. Together, we'll keep nourishing your enthusiasm, and like my most successful VIP clients, you too will reach your goal of stopping prediabetes and avoiding type 2.